Hello everyone, this is Julie from Dan Tobin Buick GMC Chevrolet. Just wanted to bring to you the Terrain Denali today. This car has a ton of features, and so I just wanted to kind of go over the interior a little bit and show you some of the things that it offers. Again, this is the Denali model, so this would be the top trim level on the Terrain that they offer. I'm going to kind of start on this side over here. So first of all, we have the memory seat. This right here is going to actually program up to 2 different people's seat memory. So it'll memorize actually their seat as well as their mirrors. And so that way when they get in the car, you know, it memorizes where they like their seat. It also has the easy exit seat feature, which means that you can save it to basically put that seat back and down to help you get out of the car a little easier too when you go to leave the vehicle. Down here, of course, we have the door locks, and we've got your windows and mirrors and how you get that all operated. Down here you actually have a programmable power lift gate. This is kind of neat because you can actually set this to 3/4 of the way, or you can turn this feature off. But either way, the 3/4 would be like if you had a garage that you were parking this car in, and you didn't want that garage to be hit by that power lift gate when it's up, you could always program it to that. You can press this button in, and that would actually open up your lift gate. Over here you have your lights, you know, fog lamps. This right here is going to be your lights of, if you want to set that on auto, basically it just allows you to have the automatic light control on. It just makes it so that you don't have to turn your lights off and on when you get into the vehicle. Up here you have your cruise control. Now this is kind of cool because up here I'm adjusting this button right here. As I keep pressing it, it's going to adjust the gap for not only the front collision but also the adaptive cruise control that this particular vehicle has. And then when you turn on your cruise, all you would do is hit the set button, and that'll set your speed to, let's just say 65 if you had it set at that. And then if you let's just say you're driving down the freeway and a car comes in front of you and going 60 miles per hour, then your vehicle will slow down to 60 and then speed back up to 65 where you had it set once that car leaves the area and out of your lane. This right here is the heated steering wheel button. That's really cool. You just press that to turn that off and on. Bluetooth buttons to make and receive calls. This is going to be your driver information center. This will be up here. You can go through like trip A, trip B, your oil life left, your tire pressure system, all that kind of good stuff. The little white box is actually just telling you what the speed limit is in the area that you're driving. Of course, you have your digital speedometer, and then you have also miles on your gas tank till you're empty, and this is the odometer on the car. And you have a compass, and you also have which gear you're in for park, reverse, you know, drive. This is your windshield wipers. This vehicle does have push button start. This is a really nice feature. Over here we've got the radio. I'm not going to dabble too much in the radio today. I'll save that for another video, but basically you have AM, FM, and XM. This does come with navigation, and you have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto features. Down here you have dual climate control. This is something that the Terrain never offered until the 2018 and newer models. And then down here we have something really unique. This is going to be your park. This is you're gonna pull back on this button to go in reverse, and you're gonna pull back on that button right there to go into drive. And then you do have a neutral that you would press in. This whole system frees up a lot of room right here, so you can have side-by-side cup holders. I usually put either my phone or spare change or whatnot in here because I do have one of these Terrains. And then also down here you have like your easy access to plugging in for your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Over here you have the parking sensors that are on, and then you also have the it basically helps you park the vehicle. You can have this, you can turn this little feature on right here, and it'll help you line right up and back yourself right up into a parking spot. Heated seats, cooled seats, again on this side as well. This right here you can turn on and off. This is actually for the lane keep assist. When that button is lighted up in orange, then if you're starting to drive down the road, and let's say that you're starting to swerve off the lane, that will slightly correct your steering wheel to put you back on the road. So that's what that button does. This right here is going to be your wireless charger for your cell phone. You can just put that right in there, and that'll wirelessly charge it while you're driving. Up here you have some additional storage, a couple more USB ports. This little tray right here, you can put, you know, your pens in, or pencils, whatever you need, if you still use pencils. Up here you have your sunroof buttons. This is going to put back the shade. You can actually do a one touch. It'll put that back for you. This one right here is to open up the sunroof. This button right here is to actually, if it's highlighted in orange here, then basically that means that when you open up the doors, the lights, the dome lights will not turn on. But if I hit that, then that means that now when I open up my doors, those lights will turn on for me. And then you of course have OnStar. This is your home link for garage door openers. They've now equipped these with some sunglass holders as well. Never used to really have that feature for a while. And then over on this side, of course, you have a little pocket where you can put your phone if you'd like, and nice big glove box in there. I want to point out that also down here are the speakers. This car is equipped with Bose, so nice premium sound as well. Real quickly, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you a quick view of the outside of this car. There is the rear of the vehicle, which is absolutely stunning. Love the tail lamps, love the wheels. And then right around here to the front, where you have that Denali signature grille, and also you have the front of the vehicle. This is the satin steel metallic color with the taupe interior. Thanks so much for watching.